Hey, what's good? What's popping? What's popping? What's popping? Double it. Come on, double it.
Okay, so today we're going to be doing a quick makeup tutorial. First of all, you carry your crayon, understand? You know, just show it to the camera. Yeah, then you color your eyebrows, color it for some time, color it for about 20 minutes or thereabouts. Yeah, and you keep coloring. Then you color the other one. You know, you have to give it an angle. If there's no angle, then yeah, that angle, that's what I mean. Then you take hairbrush and brush your eyebrows. Just brush it to the point that it cannot be brushable. Then you take I think that's primer. You take a Primax and then put it under your eyebrows, and yeah, just brush it again, brush it. Then after you brush it, you take another Primax and put it on top of the eyebrow. So you apply up and down. Yeah, then make sure you put the primer in your mouth. If not, it's not complete. Then you have to jump. I think face wash, put it on your cheeks, on your forehead, and on your chin. Then you look at the camera. Then you dance more, do shakiti bubble. Then you rub it on your face properly. I think it's to wash the foundation so that everything can blend properly. You know, then you just do it like that. Rub it around your nose, everything. Then you take something that looks like nail polish, you put it on your cheek again, then on your chin. I think that's the procedure. Then you take foam and just dab it on your everywhere. You know, I think this to bring out the contour and the highlights. Then I don't know what you're doing proper. Okay, yeah. So yeah, you take, what's that? You take, yeah, but just take it and put a surprise, motherfucker. Okay. Yes. Okay, so you just do it anyhow. That be. Hey, who is that person at your bike? Hey, my Jesus. Oh my Jesus. Okay, now you can leave. Yeah, thanks. So you carry your perfume and you put it on the foam, and then you just you dab it on the cheekbone. Understand? I think that is to bring out the highlight. Then you bring something that looks like Cigarette Park. Yeah, you just what's this? Okay, brown powder. You bring brown powder, then you put it on the foam and just powder up your face, and just make it look powderish. Yeah, I think this is called the baking process. You are baking. Then you carry the brush. Yeah, carry the brush. Then you brush out things. Basically brush used to help you and brush things out of your face. Then you carry the masquerade thing and just put it on your cheekbones, so that it can have an outline, something like an outline or thereabouts. Then you carry holy water, you just spray it on your face. Spray to prevent all the demons or anything, just any sort of demon or something coming into your life. Understand? So that somebody will not come and clean your makeup. Or right now, then you highlight more. You highlight. Carry so much of the highlights. Carry another one too if it's not okay for you. If that one did not do you, you put it on your chin. Sorry, on your lips, on top of your lips. Then you carry crayon and color your lips for it to be black a little bit. Then you carry red H&M lipstick and just put it on your lips. Just surround it with your lips. Sorry, yeah. Then you carry what's this? Sorry, black liquid crayon and crayon your eyelids. Then you carry holy water. You carry holy water again and spray it. Yeah, that's just it. So that's the look right there. I hope you guys like this look. If you want to achieve this look, all you have to do is follow my steps and tutorials, and there you have it. Easy makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Till next time, I go by the name JustinUg. Peace out.